Ito pala si
Morning.
Idol. Good morning, Idol.
Good.
Idol ko.
Thanks. La, naging idol bigla.
Ganda kumanta to.
Thank you.
Sige nga, sampulan mo nga kami. Tol, thank you for tapping. Jelay, salamat.
Wait lang. Alam mo, may nakalimutan akong song eh. May gusto kong kantahin eh.
Guys, tap my screen. Share the live and follow
Ay,
me.
try ko. Try ko to. Ay, hindi.
Louie Camilla, hello.
Thank you guys. Yo. Thank you.
Sabi ka naman, Idol. Idol, kain tayo, Idol.
Uy, ang sarap. Nagutom ako bigla.
Guys, tap my screen, guys. 5,000 tap. Okay, 5,000.
Even just for a day,
5,000. Grabe naman.
I'm out of bed in the morning and throw what one I wanted and go.
Lalabag pa ako eh.
Dream big with the guys and chase after girl. I get killed who I wanted, and I never get confronted for it. Cut it stick up for me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand. Oh, how it feels to love a girl. I swear to be a better man. I listen to her, cause I know how it
Guys,
hurts.
tap my screen, guys. Let's go, tap my screen.
When you lose the one you wanted, could have taken you for granted, and everything I got is reward. If I were a boy, I would turn on my phone, tell everyone it's broken, to the thing that I was leaving alone. I put myself first and make the rules as I go on. 'Cause I know that she be faithful, waiting for me to come home, to come home. If I were a boy, I think I could understand. Oh, how it feels to love a girl. I swear to be a better man. I listen to her, cause I know how we hurt you. When you lose the one you wanted, could have taken you for granted, and everything I got is wrong. It's a little too late for you to come back. Say it just a mistake, think I forgive you like that. If you thought I would wait for you, you turn around. You don't understand. Yeah, you don't understand how it feels to love a girl. Someday you wish you were a better man. You're just so cold.
Ayun, Miss Reyes, buwang-buwa mo. Ang galing mo, manguhula ka pala. Pwede ka na sa Quiapo. Pumesto ka dun.
Aqua babe, thank you. Ay, ano ba ito?
Hindi ako marunong. Magaling ka. Pwede ka na maging scientist.
Morse. Huck! Thank you! Kumain ka na po.
Thank you, Jelay.
No, I haven't eat. But I want Jollibee.
Yes, Prince Reyes.
Kin! 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 Sarap. Take care, Miss Market.
Yes, Chris Reyes.
Piling kung kinakaya na bumangon man isa sa tama kahit ginawa ko ng tubig
Oh, Prince Reyes. Masarap.
di ka makaman.
Dami. Dami.
Sakaling na magbagong isip mo, ako'y lagi lang naman nasa gilid mo. Kaso nga lang kahit ano bang pilit ko, ako'y di mo nakikita. Hirap tanggapin, di mo na ako kailan. Sana naman nilabanan mo. Anong nangyari sa tayo hanggang sa ulit mo? Yung ba nakalimutan na? Ayoko pang mawala ng pag-asa. Mga mata mo'y masilayan ko. At kahit ano pang gawin, ang pagkukulit ay di na ba nakalimutan na? Kalimutan ka, walang ibang mapagsabihan. Balikat ko'y tinatabi. Paano ko tatanggapin na ka hindi nababalik pag naaalala kita? Luwa'y di mapahinga, mata'y wala lang mabigat. Di na ba talaga magbabago ang isip mo? Yan na ba talaga ang ikakatahimik mo? Kasi kahit na ano ang gawing pilit ko, ako'y di mo na makita. Hirap tanggapin, di mo na ako kailangan. Sana na may nilabanan mo. Anong nangyari sa tayo hanggang sa ulit mo? Yung parang kalimutan na. Ayoko pang mawala ng pag-asa. Mga mata mo'y masilayan ko. At kahit ano pang uwi, ang pagkukulit ay di na ba nakalimutan? Kalimutan ka.
Guys, tap tap my screen. 10,000 tap tap.
Anong nangyari sa tayong kasali? Tuluyan para kalimutan na. Ayoko pang wala ng pag-asa. Mga mata mo'y masilayan ko. At kahit ano pa gawin, ang pagkukuwali ay di na ba nakalimutan na? Kalimutan ka.
Galing. Galing.
Thank you, Paul. And
Thank
everybody,
you, Spencer.
papalaw na lang si si Paul Ryan.
Salamat. Guys, follow ninyo to guys ha.
Oy, balik ka
Yan.
na lang pag
Salamat, Spencer. Thank you. Live well.
ingat. Age doesn't